Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Sinta Kristina. Saya dari kelas PAI 2H. Di sini saya akan membahas 16 tenses dalam bahasa Inggris untuk memenuhi tugas bahasa Inggris saya. Baiklah, langsung saja. Yang pertama ada simple present tense dengan rumus subject plus verb 1 dalam kurung s atau is plus object plus complement. Contoh simple present tense yang positif, they speak Spanish very well. Kemudian yang negatif, they don't speak Spanish. Dan yang interrogatif, do they speak Spanish? Yang kedua ada present continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus to be, is, am, are plus verb ing plus object. Contoh present continuous tense yang positif, he is reading various kind of storybooks. Kemudian yang negatif, he is not reading various kind of storybooks. Kemudian yang interrogatif, is he not reading various kind of storybooks? Yang ketiga ada present perfect tense dengan rumus subject plus has atau have plus verb plus object. Contoh present perfect tense yang positif, they have seen the movie Captain Marvel. Kemudian yang negatif, they have not seen the movie Captain Marvel. Yang interrogatif, have they seen the movie Captain Marvel? Kemudian yang keempat ada present perfect continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus have atau has plus been plus verb ing. Contoh present perfect continuous tense yang positif, you have been thinking about me. Kemudian yang negatif, you have not been thinking about me. Dan yang interrogatif, have you been thinking about me? Yang kelima ada simple past tense dengan rumus subject plus verb to plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh simple past tense yang positif, we call our friend yesterday. Kemudian yang negatif, we did not call friend yesterday. Kemudian yang interrogatif, did we call our friend yesterday? Yang keenam ada past continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus was atau were plus verb ing plus object. Dan adapun contoh past continuous tense yang positif, I was washing my bag when the phone rang. Kemudian yang negatif, I was not washing my bag when the phone rang. Dan yang interrogatif, was I washing my bag when the phone rang? Yang ketujuh ada past perfect tense dengan rumus subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh past perfect tense yang positif, he had worked in clothing store for the 3 years. Yang negatif, he had not worked in clothing store for the 3 years. Dan yang interrogatif, had he worked in clothing store for the 3 years? Yang kedelapan ada past perfect continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. Contoh past perfect continuous tense yang positif, she had been studying in Golden English. Kemudian yang negatif, she had not been studying in Golden English. Dan yang interrogatif, had she been studying in Golden English? 9 ada simple future tense dengan rumus subject plus be going to atau will plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Contoh simple future tense yang positif, he will come to the mall tomorrow. Yang negatif, he will not come to the mall tomorrow. Kemudian yang interrogatif, will he come to the mall tomorrow? Yang ke-10 ada future continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus shall atau will plus be plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh future continuous tense yang positif, he will be playing golf at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Yang negatif, he will not be playing golf at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Dan yang interrogatif, will you be playing golf at 9 o'clock tomorrow? 11 ada future perfect tense dengan rumus subject plus shall atau will plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Contoh future perfect tense yang positif, she will have brought the family by this time next year. Yang negatif, she will not have brought the family by this time next year. Kemudian yang interrogatif, will she have brought the family by this time next year. 12 ada future perfect continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus shall atau will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh future perfect continuous tense yang positif, she will have been studying in Jakarta for 3 years by next month. Yang negatif, she will not have been studying in Jakarta for 3 years by next month. Dan yang interrogatif, will she have been studying in Jakarta for 3 years by next. 13 ada simple past future tense dengan rumus subject plus would atau shall plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh simple past future tense yang positif, we should do our duty carefully. Yang negatif, we should not do our duty carefully. Kemudian yang interrogatif, should we do our duty carefully. 14 ada past future continuous tense dengan rumus subject plus would atau should plus be plus verb ing plus object. Adapun contoh past future continuous tense yang positif, my sister should be learning English. Yang negatif, my sister should not be learning English. Dan yang interrogatif, should my sister be learning English. 15 ada past future perfect tense dengan rumus subject plus word atau should plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh past future perfect tense yang positif, she would have bought a new car last week. Kemudian yang negatif, she would have not bought a new car last week. Dan yang interrogatif, will she have bought a new car last week. 16 ada past future continuous tense dengan rumus subject would plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Adapun contoh past future continuous tense, past future perfect continuous tense yang positif, she would have been working. Dan yang negatif, she would not have been working. Kemudian yang interrogatif, would she have. Baiklah, mungkin hanya itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. 16 tenses dalam bahasa Inggris. Apabila ada kata-kata yang salah, saya mohon maaf. Kepada Allah saya mohon ampun. Saya akhiri, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.